Hi guys, this is it. This is the last one, and we're going to make it short and sweet. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me. I know it's been a lot of content coming your way. Okay, so we're going to talk about the assignment for the week. It's a short introduction and it is in discussion format. You can get to it by clicking on the discussion link here or clicking on it right here. Okay, so the objective is to introduce yourself and build community with other students in the class. And the completion is Wednesday, August 26th by 11:59 p.m. That's when you should have the whole thing done. This is not high stakes, low stakes, okay? So I would like you to think about what you want to say, right, before you start saying it. The idea is to help us to connect the person with the name, because we all have the names, but now we want to know the person as well. So some things that you might want to do, you might want to tell us where you live, how you think you're going to negotiate the online start to the semester. Maybe you pull your hair out. Anything special you did this summer, why you're in this class. I mean, it's always a good thing to think about why you're taking the class. And I encourage you to be bold and to get creative and just reflect who you are in sharing something with us. So you can use color, change the font, or add an image, or do anything you want to help us get a sense of your personality. You can add a picture. I love pictures. They're awesome. You could also, if you don't like writing, you can do a video, a little video blog, and then share that with the class. You might have to upload it to YouTube first and then share it with a link, because sometimes technology is not our friend, but that works really well. As long as you make it private, then just the class can see it. So after posting your introduction, then you should check out what other people have written. Now you're not going to see what anybody posted until after you've posted yours, and then you'll be able to see what everybody else wrote. That's just the setting. Okay. And you should respond to at least 3 of your classmates. So you should read some of them, try and read as many as you can, and then respond and say, hey, welcome, and just make a little connection with somebody. So I want you to think in terms of what evidence of preparation means, and that is that your post reflects critical thinking and actual engagement with the discussion topic. So I want to see you think about it for a little bit and make a considered post. It doesn't have to be a big, long, difficult thing, but just think about it a little bit. In other words, it's apparent that you took the time to think about the topic. If you're confused, ask questions for clarity whenever there's a need, right? And thoughtfully post your ideas and replies. So posts indicate listening to others' positions, ideas, and questions by responding reflectively and with substance. So what we want to try and do is use people first language and maintain respectful language, tone, and content. So it's electronic netiquette, and we should always be trying to consistently practice that. All right. So this is part of your weekly collaborative practice grade, and not completing the assignment reduces your overall grade by 10 points. There is a rubric that I will post with this assignment for you, but primarily what you need to do is create a post, read some of your colleagues' posts, and then reply to them and start creating community. All right, well, I am going to sign off for the evening. I hope you guys have a really great day tomorrow, and I look forward to reading your posts and getting to know you over the course of the semester. Good night.